Google's partnership with Stephen Curry might be getting even bigger. After the Fitbit Air Stephen Curry Edition, newly leaked marketing material now points to a Pixel Watch 5 Stephen Curry Edition as well. The leak reveals its exclusive design, possible pricing, and even hints at its launch plans. So here's everything that's surfaced so far. The information comes from leaked marketing material that appears to feature official promotional assets for the special edition. The biggest change compared to the standard Pixel Watch 5 is its exclusive woven performance band. It features a stone gray and taupe fabric design with bright orange edges and matching orange accent stitching, along with a brown exterior label carrying Stephen Curry branding and his signature #LockIn slogan. According to the leaked material, Google designed the band with workouts in mind, adding a water-repellent coating to help resist moisture. However, the company also notes that this coating isn't permanent and may gradually wear off over time. For comparison, while the Pixel Watch 5 itself is rated 5 ATM and IP68 for water and dust resistance, Google's standard active bands aren't specifically marketed with the same water repellent treatment. Interestingly, only one configuration has appeared in the leak so far. The marketing material shows the Pixel Watch 5 Stephen Curry Edition exclusively as a 45mm LTE model with a silver case and the custom woven band. That could mean Google plans to offer the special edition only in the larger size, although it's also possible that other variants simply haven't leaked yet. The material also states that the watch will be produced in limited quantities and won't be available in every market. Aside from the custom band, there's currently no evidence of any hardware differences. In other words, you're paying for the exclusive design and limited edition branding rather than additional features. Some fans were hoping Google would include exclusive watch faces, unique software features, or even Stephen Curry-inspired fitness experiences. So far though, no reliable leaks point to any of those additions. As for pricing, the Stephen Curry edition is reportedly priced at €579, while the standard 45mm LTE Pixel Watch 5 is expected to cost around €549. If those prices are accurate, the special edition carries roughly a €31 premium, which isn't too surprising considering the main differences are the exclusive band and limited edition branding. The timing of this leak also lines up with Google's upcoming Made by Google event on August 12, 2026, where the Stephen Curry edition is expected to debut alongside the standard Pixel Watch 5 lineup. Pre-orders are rumored to open shortly after the presentation, with retail availability expected around August 20th. Interestingly, the leaked press renders show the watch face displaying that exact date. It could simply be a placeholder, or it might be Google's subtle way of hinting at the launch date. And that's everything we know so far about the Pixel Watch 5 Stephen Curry edition. If more details surface, we'll be sure to keep you updated. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.